Hello everyone. I was asked by somebody in my email group to actually do a build out of an affiliate marketing promotion that I would do. I'm going to show one way that I build out affiliate marketing promotion. There are many ways to do this, but this is one way. This is probably one of the easier ways, so I wanted to start with this one. First thing I do is I get my affiliate link, whether I get it from WordPlus, ClickBank, JVZoo, anywheres. There's Digistore24, there's a bunch of them. So I'm going to use this WordPlus link. This thing launched yesterday at 10 a.m. It's called Wifi Profits. It was put out by Super Warriors. So I figured this will be a good one for me to get a promotion out on. So once I get my affiliate link, I'm all set at the affiliate page. I go over to the sales page. Probably 98% of your sales pages, they're going to put these bullet points that they really want to stress and hit. What I do is I copy these bullet points up the sales page, and then I go over to Visla, and then I click on Create Video. And then right here on let's say create me a video with this content. And then I would put introducing Wi-Fi profits. And then I would paste them when I hit from the sales page, so it hits all on bullet points, and then I would click on generate video. This is video generation. This will take a while. Typically it goes on the speed of your internet. I do have a 3 gig fiber that comes in here, but even while you're streaming and doing this, you got to basically using the internet double time. So it does take a while to generate. I did show a way that you could actually use the Visla plugin in Chat GPT to create the video. I actually did that in another video. I'll link the video below so you guys can go in and check that one out on how to do it through Chat GPT. I think I showed this way as well in that video, but I wanted to see a full build out, so I figured I would just do the whole thing. So and there's other programs besides Visla. I mean, it's an AI video builder. Vista is one that everybody uses. There's a whole bunch of these that are out. So if you're a digital marketer, there's multiple tools that, a lot of them do the same things. You get used to the tools that you use that you like. Don't get me wrong, I do use multiple tools. Like I will use Vista sometimes. So, I'll be doing a video probably on Visla and on Vista. I'll probably be comparing them. I own a lot of software, so there'll be a lot of software reviews on this channel. So. There we go. So, let's see here. This is what it created for us.
Struggling to find a reliable passive income source? We've all been there. Imagine a life where you enjoy daily commissions, effortlessly. Introducing Wi-Fi Profits, your bridge to financial freedom. A 100% done-for-you system, designed for beginners. Using brand new AI tech for 2023, unlocking the real laptop lifestyle. Generates $250 plus in free commissions daily, once activated. And if you're not satisfied, we offer a 180-day money-back guarantee. Join the thousands who've unlocked their laptop lifestyle with Wi-Fi Profits. Don't wait. Start your journey to financial freedom today. With the Wi-Fi Profits, unlock the real laptop lifestyle. Your future starts here.
Alright, that would be the free video from Visla. If you were, just a free member, that they would create that video for you, and you can use that with their intro, their outro, the story box stuff in the background. If you're actually a pro member, you can actually go in and get rid of all that. We're going to export this video out. I'm actually a pro member, so I'll go in and I'll get rid of the Visla screens. All the story box audio advertisements will go away that were in the video. I think Visla, I think I looked it up in the last video. I think it was $19 a month. So I think that's what Visla costs. So once this generates, we'll be able to go into the Visla editor, and then we'll be able to edit some of this content and get rid of some of the stuff. And typically what I do is I will make a square video. That way I can use it on Facebook, YouTube, and then I will also do a vertical video. That way I can use it as a reel or a short, or put it on Instagram. But the video that we're making now is going to be the one that we're actually going to put on the bonus page in Commission Gorilla. I also do like review videos of the actual product and put them on Commission Gorilla instead of putting the Visla video on here. A lot of people don't like to get in front of the camera, so this is one way to stay away from the camera and actually do it this way. So I just wanted to show this way. I use ScreenPal in order to create, the video that I'm creating now. I use ScreenPal, and I also use it if I do my own review video of something. So that's a great one to use. Obviously, just like anything else, there's other tools out there that will do the same thing. Cyberlink's got one of these. I've used theirs. There's plenty of them out there. So, but if you are going to make review videos, you'll need something to be able to record your screen. And I like to be able to record my screen and my camera at the same time. Most of my students like to see me while I'm doing the video. So. And if I wasn't actually live streaming right now, this would create a lot faster. But like I said, it's a 3 gig fiber coming in, so it's, if you got a slow internet connection, it will take you a long time to create these videos. So. With Commission Gorilla, they actually like to see your YouTube embed code, your Vimeo embed code. I'm a YouTube person. Here's our video. I'm a YouTube person, so I use the YouTube code. We're going to go through doing that here. Basically, once I get this fired up and it's like this, I can go back over here to my projects now. And now we can go into the editor for this video. And then now, as you can see, all the Shutterstock stuff's gone. The audio advertisement for Shutterstock Storyblock sound will all be gone. I can go here. I can delete the intros and outro screens. I can put my own screens on. I can change all these backgrounds. We can change all them in media. I'll be doing a video on Visla, walk you guys through some of the stuff that you can do in Visla. Just to keep this moving forward, I'm just going to export this. Once this is exported, we can download it. We just kind of took the screens off. A lot of times I put my own intro screen for my own company on there. I'll do like a little outro, sometimes put the affiliate link right on the outro. If you're a YouTube creator, you make intro and outro videos all the time. So there's tons and tons of apps to do that too. I own lots of software. I'm a mega software guy, so there'll be lots of software reviews on here. I'll be showing 2 or 3 of them that you can make intros and outros with as we get going. But and a lot of times when this is doing this, you can go over and start working on Commission Gorilla and other things while this is working in the background. With me streaming and also doing this, it gets a little touchy sometimes if I start doing other things. Sometimes the video won't render properly. If you have a real slow internet connection, you'll probably end up the same way. You'll have to wait for it to render. But if you have a slow internet connection, you can just start it and before you go to bed, and that way you wake up, it's all done. Or you can start it in the morning and eat breakfast or whatever. So once we get this, I'm just going to go to download. They do host this here, but Commission Gorilla doesn't like the code. So there's a video. I downloaded. It's all set and over. After I get it downloaded, I go over to YouTube, go to my channel, create. I go upload video. Select that file that we just downloaded. It'll scoot up to YouTube. I do the same thing while I'm streaming. When I'm uploading a YouTube video, I kind of wait for it to process and be done because it can get touchy as well. So. We don't need this going out to YouTube Kids or anything, so I always just say no for if it's made for kids. I mean, obviously there's nothing bad in it. It's just, we don't need it on YouTube Kids player. So once it's done, it looks like it's all processed. I'm just gonna go over. So I pass our copyright check, go to visibility. I do this video is unlisted. That's why I didn't, put a description in it or anything like that. I'm not going to list a video. It's just for a bonus page. So I click on save. I close this out. And then pop it up on YouTube.
Struggling to find a reliable passive income source.
And then this is where I get the embed code for YouTube. I just say copy embed code. Then I go over to Commission Gorilla and I just do a new page. And then, I'll go to blocks. I mean, obviously I'm going to have a title up here. I might throw a space in, and then I'm going to throw in my video. The video, we're going to go settings. Pop our video in. And that brings over our video from YouTube. And then we'll go through, we'll finish building out this page here. So typically what I do as I'm building out this page is typically I will start with settings. I'll go over here. I make sure I get this name because I want the name that the vendor actually calls it. Sometimes they got some weird stuff up here and I like to use, their actual name that they want to see. Then I'll go to page settings. I use that as my page name. And as for some other stuff here, we'll get to filling in. I use it as my page title for my SEO. And under bonus delivery, I also use it as the delivery page name. And then I can go back to my blocks, and typically, like I said, at the top I'll have the title. So up here, this will be the title. I typically bold it, center it, pump the font size up. Typically for title I go 40. And then the video I'll run. So there's our title, there's our video. I got our spacer blocks in. And then I do a CTA button right underneath the video. I pop the CTA button in here. Now the CTA button is going to connect to our affiliate link that we're going to set up here in settings here in a minute. And then I typically do a countdown timer. If I'm doing a launch, I put the launch time in here. If I'm not doing a launch, I would just kind of do like an evergreen timer. And I'll set it for 3 hours. And then I'll grab a text box, and over top of the timer, I'll put, because this isn't a launch, if it was a launch, I put launches on. Here I'll put, price will increase in. Then obviously the timer's going to say 3 hours, and that's going to be evergreen, so we'll just keep going and going and going. It just kind of gives urgency for them to, purchase. Pump our font size up. I go about 35 here, so it's just same thing I did with the title. Bold, pump up the font size, center it. Then I slap in another little spacer. Just keep the page spaced out, and then, I'll throw in a bonus block or two. For this, we'll just do 2 real quick, and then typically I put in another spacer, and then I put social sharing so they can share it on social. Social sharing, they'll ask for, Twitter text, Facebook text. Facebook text is actually in SEO settings, but we'll set that here in a minute. I go over to Chat GPT and I tell you, write me a headline for a new software called Wifi Profits. I'll let ChatGPT go to work. Have it come up with a cool little headline here. Then I copy this headline. Back to Commission Gorilla under my Twitter text. I'll make that my Twitter text. Save it. And then if you go back to your settings on Commission Gorilla, if you come here to ask for Facebook text and under SEO features. Why they put it there, I don't know, but that's where they put it. And then underneath that, they ask for a meta description. I kind of use this thing as the meta description as well. Yeah, I mean, you can do better meta descriptions if you want. It's like your keywords. I would do some keyword research and actually get keywords that match what, the product's about and put them in here. And then, well, I'm right here and I'm back at settings. I just head over and I just grab my affiliate link real quick. Link settings. I copy this thing right here. And then I bring it back over to Commission Gorilla and I pop it in here. Depending on what you use for traffic, if you're using traffic exchanges, a lot of times, Commission Gorilla pages will open in an iframe, but affiliate pages will not open in iframes. And a lot of traffic exchanges use iframes. So typically what I do is I, put my affiliate link in here, but I put open in new window. And that way it's not trying to open in the iframe. So that way people can see it. Then after that, I just select a couple of bonuses. It doesn't really matter what we're going to put in here because this is just a demo. But typically I would put bonuses in that match. I'm going to do a video later on how to create bonuses and where you can get stuff for bonuses. Once all this is done, I mean, that's pretty much the whole entire bonus page that I run. I click on Save Exit. If you want to view the page, this is the bonus page link. So you can copy this link. And then you can go over here and paste it in. And that's our bonus page. Wifi Profits AI. There's our video. This will take us out to our affiliate link. And then you can get people to share it on Facebook and Twitter by clicking these buttons. And then, like I said, if they click on that, there's Wi-Fi's Profits page. That's the sales page that we looked at. So, and then for them to download their bonuses, they actually have to go, through, make their purchase. Once they've made their purchase, there'll be a button that pops up and, that says Get Affiliate Bonuses. And that's where they need this buyer bonus link right here. So in Commission Gorilla, you can just copy this link, because this is the buyer bonuses link. If you copy this, you can just copy this, paste it in here, and hit save. And that will take it onto the buyer's bonuses when they click that button. What I like to do is somebody comes along, they find the page. I haven't collected their email address yet, but if they make the purchase, they're a buyer, and I really want their email address. So what I do is I use GetResponse to create a form to grab their email address before I deliver them bonuses. So I did a video earlier on how to do that, but I'll just walk you through it real quick. I'll go here in GetResponse. I go under Tools, and I go to Forms and Pop-ups. Then I go over to Forms Legacy, I click on create new form. I do a legacy form. It'll give me a bunch of templates. Like I said, this is just a demo, so it doesn't matter what template we use. I don't know, we'll just grab this thing. I click on this. And then, you know, like here, I would put my logo, stuff like that. But anyways, I changed this. To, you know, where can I send your, boy, typing's horrible, your bonuses. So ask them, you know, where can I send your bonuses? Give me your name, your email that you want them to go to, you know, and then I would just click, you know, we change this up to download now. Alright, and then the big thing is you want to go to your settings up here. And we are going to do a custom thank you page. If they are already an email subscriber, we still want them, you know, to be able to get their bonuses. So we do the same thing here. We just do a custom page. And you go back to Commission Gorilla, and then you grab this bonus page link. This guy right here. Copy that link. Go back to Gear Response, and that is going to be your thank you page here. And then once you have that in, you know, you can give this whatever name that you want to give it. Typically, you know, I just put the offer name like I'd put Wi-Fi Profits or something. But I'm going to leave it as web form, so I know to delete it because this is not what I'm going to use for it. And then when you click on Publish, it's going to publish the page. And the big thing is you want to go to Get Response link, this one right here. So if you copy this link, that is going to become their buyer bonus URL. So when they're all done, they made their purchase, they get their button that says, you know, get buyer bonuses. When they click that button, it's going to go to this link. That link's going to take them to the form. They're going to grab the email address, and then after they grab the email address, it's going to go to the custom thank you page where they download. I'll show you that here real quick. So what they'll do is when they click that button, it takes them here. They will put in their name, their email, click on download now. Because we got that custom page, these are our 2 bonuses that they can download. So it's all set, sends them right over to where they can get their bonuses. And then once I'm done with that, it's just a matter of promoting that page. You know, you got to steer your traffic to it. You know, you can put it on social. You can, you know, send out your email to your list. So, you know, technically, you know, I use Publer. It's a, you know, social media posting thing. You know, you can just pick what you want. This is where I would make the actual other style video. So I could go back to Visla and I would go to my projects. And then when I go to this video now, I'll limit an editor. I would just go style, and that would make me a vertical video. That way I can use it on social media. And I would do the same thing, export. And it's going to render that and make us a vertical video of that actual video. So then once that vertical video is all made, it's the same thing. You just download, and then you can use it on your social for a reel or whatever. So I'll go over, I'll definitely be doing another video on, you know, how to get traffic to these pages and stuff like that. So I guess until the next one, have a great day. Thank you.